So let's talk about the spatial audio in terms of your AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So if we are looking at the basic definition, the spatial audio is essentially the surround sound experience, which is using the dynamic head tracking. So you basically don't feel stale or static when listening to the music, but basically you hear the sound coming at you from all around you, right? It's not like you have the left and right channels. You can hear sound from around you, and if you like leave your phone on a desk and you turn your head around, it just feels like the sound is coming out of there. So yeah, it's just really nice experience. And whenever you place your AirPods Max over your ears, the sensors inside of them basically detect how your head moves and adjust the sound so it stays anchored to your device. So yeah, as I said, you can move your head around, but you feel the sound coming from a certain direction. When it comes to some other things, well, not every single song supports it. It requires content mixed in a Dolby Atmos or other supported formats. So not every single music piece or every single thing you are listening to is going to support it, but a lot of the songs, and especially the popular ones, are going to be supported. Apple Music offers really a lot of the songs, like the library is just growing every time, like every day with the spatial audio support. For example, Spotify currently does not support it. So in at least in the same way as Apple Music. So there are some limitations, but this is basically how it kind of works. And yeah, that's what the feature is about. So let me know below in the comments what you think about it. If it's something that you consider buying the AirPods Max for, or if you are just curious about it, let me know below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the future one.